Hi all, welcome back again. So in this one we are going to be doing some old school rice pudding. So I thought I might as well make some because I have loads of rice left. So yeah, old school rice pudding, here we are. So for the start of our rice pudding we're going to need 6 cups of milk. So I'm going to work this out in millilitres for you guys. So just bear with me, that is 1 cup. That is a lot. I may not have bought enough milk. So that's 1, 2, 2 cups are at half a litre. So 1.5 litre altogether for the whole recipe. So I'm just going to switch bowls. I should have measured the bowl before I did that. So that there is 1,334 millilitres or 5.5 cups of milk. So next thing we're going to do is add our sugar. So I'll just get that. So we're just going to add in half a cup of sugar, which once I've dissolved it all is about 120 grams. Next thing we're going to add is half a teaspoon of salt. So that's 4 to 5 grams depending on your scales. So what I've done is I've just added this onto the heat, so this is now on a medium-high heat. So we're just going to wait for this milk to boil, and then what we can do is we can add our rice in then.
I love you, my baby.
I love you too.
Shout me if you need anything.
Okay, will do.
My baby.
Alright.
Boy.
Boy. So, in terms of making your milk hot, just make sure you keep stirring it occasionally and don't let it burn to the bottom, because nobody wants burnt rice pudding. Not very nice. So to be fair, we're nearly there. So I'm going to turn my hob down to 1, or this is quite low. So this will bring it up to a boil because it's a solid top. So just wait for them to cool down a minute. So what we'll do is we'll get our rice. So I'll just get that if I can get it easily enough. This one is kind of a cheats rice pudding in a sense, because I'm not using pudding rice. I will show you one eventually that does have pudding rice in it, but just for now I'm going to be using normal grain rice. So apparently, from what I've read, we only need half a cup of rice. So I will measure that out for you guys and put it on the video once I've done it. Oh, that's loads of rice gone on the floor. So yeah, it's literally like this much, and then we're going to take it off the heat. I'm going to add that in. Just make sure you get all the rice bits out. And then it's going to stay on the low heat for 50 to 60 minutes. You're just going to need to stir that occasionally. So I'm just going to keep it off the heat for a minute until that back hob cools down. I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, I've just got that off the heat a minute, letting that stir in, and that'll be it then. And that'll just go on the low heat, as I said, for 50 to 60 minutes. Just keep your eyes on it and just stir every now and again. So we are nearly there in terms of our rice pudding. So the only thing I need to do now is to add another half a cup of milk, and then it will be a case of we just add some vanilla in and then it's done. We'll just do that now. So this has taken more like 2 hours on a low heat rather than 50 to 60 minutes. But at least it's got to that point, which it looks quite nice, to be fair. I can't wait to try it. So just get this rinsed out. Get our vanilla and add a add a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons worth, and then that, ladies and gents, is pretty much done. So I'm just going to get this stirred through. Bring that up on the heat to get that nice and toasty. Otherwise, that is all done. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this one. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.